I'm going to have yours or trying to cut these discs up. Make this vibrate like crazy. This will make a good massager. Before I do that, we'll do a BAZ reading update. Got 7,951 kilowatt hours on the BAZ. So a rollover to 8,000 is just around the corner for that. Given how difficult this is going to be, actually it's going to be quite a challenge. If I cut, I'll get a marker and show you. Since the clearance between this and the hard disk around it, the spaces are so tight, I can cut lines like this out of it. More like that. One there, and there, and each of the discs, and cut an equally sized gap hole in the top and the two sides of the drive. I might make a siren effect out of it, air raid siren effect out of the hard drive. I'm not sure how well that'll work out though. I've got to file the rest of the discs off my Samscum hard drive. Got killed. Just use those as well. Make a gyroscope mod, but I think the massage is unique. I stick to doing that. HDD massage is a good no one else has ever done before. Good prank to play. These are also good to launch on your capacitor banks. That's what I came up with. I clamped them all together, put a socket in the middle of the spindle, clamped the socket down so these don't go offside like that as I'm trying to cut them. They're just drilled holes in various areas. That's a unique way of doing it. Let's give it a try. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. That one's not very good, is it? I'll have to work on that. Okay, viewers, well I got the hard drive going, but it jams up a lot, so I've got to grind it down to make it vibrate and not obstruct the motor when it's trying to start. So when I put the cover back on it, it'll be a fully assembled massager mod hard drive. So I've shelved that for now onto this. My parts finally arrived for this receiver. 10 new output transistors. I'm going to replace all those, replace the lot. One goes, change them all. I've been looking at getting a decent soldering iron station too, but yeah. Well, when the time's right, when I get a bit more money. I want to get a Rella one, but they're too bloody expensive. A Yahoo one. The Yahoo one's about 180. I suppose I could get a Yahoo one, but yeah. Worst comes to worst, I'll just get a Yahoo one and just deal with that. That takes Rella tips anyway, so pretty much a clone of a Rella. Because the soldered plug-in soldering iron I've got, it's not good for repairs like this. I can damage circuit boards. Hey cutie. I've also got some capacitors for this TV. 3x3 mic at 160 volts to replace a 2 microfarad 150 volts. 3.3 microfarad is a bit higher than microfarad, but I don't think it's going to be much of an issue. Should be another one like that with a similar rating on it. Malaysian made capacitor. Oh, damage that 2 kV cap. Bugger. I'll test these. These are older Panasonic capacitors. They should still be okay. 50 volt, 0.1 microfarad. There should be another 160 volt capacitor of similar value. I think there's a 1 or 2 point something at 160 volt. It's on here somewhere. Where is it gone? 160 volt, 4.7 microfarad. There's one on here somewhere. There's another one on there somewhere that I need. Yeah, I'll find it later on. Either way, that will do to get to replace the dried out ones in this TV. I'll test those too to be sure that they're okay. They're good quality Panasonic Japanese capacitors, so except for that one's a Malaysian made one, but I'll check it anyway, make sure it's okay with the ESR meter. Hopefully all is good. I'll get this thing completely fully operational, the horizontal and vertical sync wise at least. Now if they can stay on, this TV is pretty much good to go. Anyway, let's get this thing worked on. Been a long-term project, this one. Right, I got the tripod out. Although I haven't been bloody using it off enough as I bloody should have. Get stuck into the bloody tripod habit. So I'm going to pull these boards out. Again, unplug these, shift those out the way, pull these out again. Pull this main board out. There's 10. A full set of 10 of these, and paired and matched. So that's the full set to replace the whole main stage of amplification. So we'll put those in and see how we go. But I've got to solder them in a certain way because there's little tiny transistors in between that actually go underneath the edge of the heatsink. I've got to clamp the things on tight so the little transistors in between don't off the heatsink because they need to be cooled as well. Right, to replace all the bits, it wasn't easy. They're getting those components bent to the correct orientation with this heatsink. I've got to put some packing along the edge of this heatsink so the little tiny transistors get contact. Alright. Power on. Hopefully something different. Bugger! Still got issues. Damn it! Damn it. Something else is buggered still. I'm just clicking this thing on and off a bunch of times. Click, click, click. Put my hands on these sonic resistors, which I now regret. And this little 0.33 ohm resistor right in here. There's 1, 2 and 3 to run directly in this part in line of circuitry in this main amplifier board. This 0.33 ohm resistor is getting stupid hot. I'll just cook my finger on it like a small burning ceramic here. I hope it's still in resistance. So I have to pull this resistor out and see if this does anything. A little tiny resistor and you can just see it at the tip of the screwdriver. I've got to take that out of the circuit and test it. That gets bloody hot. So changing the amplifier chips did nothing, so oh well, let's find the exact heat source of the heat and the smell. So I'll pull this board out. I've got to pull it all out again. Bugger. Oh well, at least I've found what the culprit is. Anyway, I'll work on this another 12 hours. I'm getting a bit busy now, fixing the car up. Thanks for watching.